Shocking images of an elderly man living in rural St. Anne. Life has been particularly unkind to the elderly man since he's not getting any NIS or pension because he never had any formal employment. His story reinforces the need for Jamaicans to be on a retirement plan, or else they could just end up like this man. TVJ Shamela Pullin reports.
A dilapidated structure tucked away on a hill in Mild End St. Anne. Inside, dark and congested, hardly any space to move around. But there lives 90-year-old Albert Osborne, better known to community members as Mason. Mr. Osborne has been living here for many years.
Me catch on ya, but it get old, you know. Parade brain balling, better pan all that.
Mr. Osborne lives by himself. He was never married and never had children. He does farming for a living. Even at his age, he still walks down this hill every morning. But that doesn't seem to be working out for him. His niece Chanel Johnson is the only relative. She tries to help but can't do much.
I always help him cure up him water and stuff. But when I see the real condition of the place, I say no. We provide food for him and stuff like that. Basically, I cannot help him to put a roof over his head.
So she took his plight to social media and caught the attention of Councillor for the Beachertown Division in St. Anne, Ian Bell. Mr. Bell tried to get help from the relevant persons.
Take up the phone right away Saturday night and I called the social and the parish council poor relief officer for the area. I sent her the post. And then I said to her, I want you to do an investigation and treat this matter with a matter of urgency.
We are going to be building a house for him. I have asked the councillor, Councillor Bell and the mayor and our technical team to go there to look at it.
But Mr. Osborne is one of those persons who never paid income tax and made no contribution to the National Insurance Scheme, NIS. He never had a pension plan. Mr. Osborne is one of thousands of Jamaicans who have no income and have fallen on hard times in their old age. Denise Eldemeyer Shearer, Professor of Public Health and Aging at the University of the West Indies, spoke about situations like Mr. Osborne's in her 2012 study, which revealed that pension coverage is the biggest concern among the elderly. She said 60.5% of the persons in the study had no pension. A problem pension experts say can be easily fixed. Join us Tuesday when we look at how persons can make provisions for their retirement and what minimum wage earners can do to have some income in their retirement. Shamela Pullin, TVJ News.